Welcome back, boys. Today, dumating na yung in-order ko na Yeji Air Special Version or Special Edition. Iba-iba kasi sa website. Andito siya. And today, we're gonna unbox it. Nakapag-react na tayo sa music video. Nabuksan natin all versions ng album niya. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it at the end. And now, for the finale, we're opening the Special Edition version of the album. Okay, let's open it. Welcome, camera number 2. Let's start with, titignan ko yung website eh. Start tayo dito let's start with this, okay? Let's go. What's your favorite Yeji song in this album? Ano ang paborito mong kanta sa album na to? Comment below. Mine is 25/8. 25/8 all the way. Okay, let's start. So it's like this. I didn't see. It's this. This the back. And then when you open it, okay, bigyan natin si Yeji dito sa gilid. And we have 3. Teka, titignan ko yung inclusions ah. Shit, kulay-pula yung ginamit nilang font. Sleeve, jewel case, and the CDR. Photo card, random 2 out of 4. Photo book, folding poster, pre-order only, and Polaroid 1 out of 2 pre-order only. Ang sakit sa mata ng red yung ginamit nilang font. Let's start with the folding poster, baby. Please. Oh, kung ano mismo yung nasa website. It's this. Sorry boys, at night. I'm filming at night. And then let's open the photo book. Quick lang, ha? Ooh. True, no? Ganda. Ay, nako, lahat maganda. Wala. Hindi na ako magko-comment. Ganda nito. Ito pinakamaganda. Yes. Yes. Diba? Ang sakit sa mata. Pati pala dito, red font. Ito lang, oh, medyo may dent. Okay, and then the CD itself. I think, yeah. That's it. Oh, the CD itself, you might wanna see. There it is. Yung Polaroid muna, 1 out of 2. Isang naka-red siya, isang siya. Metal armor. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. 2 out of 4. Woo! Woo-wee! Yes, baby. Wala pa ba ako na ito? Hindi naman siguro posibleng pareho lang to tsaka sa napul ko, no? Hindi ko maalala eh. Next. Yes, ang ganda nito. Ganda nito. That's version 1. Let's open the next version. Ito yung version na medyo hinihintay ko talaga kasi andito yung Kyujin hairstyle version. Ano man tawag doon. But next is the Bella Porch. The Bella Porch version. Wala po kasi yung gunting ko dito. At yung mga patterns namin na maliliit, hindi ko alam kung nasaan. So bear with me. Bella Porch version. There you are. Ganda. Ganda ka, girl. Inside, it's this. Ito, mas siya sa mata. Mas okay siya sa mata kaysa yung itim. Ay, yung pula. Kaysa yung pulang font. Okay. This is the back. Yay! It's this. Let's open it. Ooh. Buti itong version na to walang dent. And we're done. Sana yung naka-black kasi ang sa nakikita ko sa website, isang naka-white siya, isang naka-black. Sana yung naka-black. Please. Yeah! Yes! Okay din naman yung naka-white, yung Bella Porch, pero mas gusto ko to. Kasi kung hindi ko makukuha yung etong black na to, tapos makuha ko yung white, hahantingin ko talaga to. Ooh. Last. Nice, ang ganda na to. And that's it. Yeji Air album unboxing. We did it. We unboxed everything. Lahat ng version, every version to ever exist. We have it. It's done. This is the end. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for 113 subscribers. Welcome to the fastest growing YouTube channel. Bye!